Hey guys, so as many of you know, I have been touring different apartment layouts at my current complex, and that is because when my lease is up, if not before then, I want to upgrade again. And yes, I know it feels so fresh that I just moved and upgraded my life so much. Like, I moved to this amazing luxury apartment and I now completely live on my own without roommates, and I live in this amazing studio apartment. I love it. Yes, it is super fresh still, but that was in November, which does not seem that long ago. But before we know it, November 2019 is going to be here. So I'm trying to be prepared. I'm trying to know what's out there, know what I want, and just get excited for it. You know that I'm all about law of attraction and manifestation and all of that. And on my 2019 vision board, I put that I wanted to upgrade to a loft apartment here. And so that is what I'm aiming for. Speaking of that, I did a video on how I manifested my dream apartment. And I was thinking, would you want me to do an updated version of that video, since I'm currently in the process right now of manifesting a new next level apartment, especially because it's all like fresh on my mind right now. Like, I know the steps that I take in order to make these things happen. So I feel like it would be a new, fresh, updated perspective. So if you would like me to make that video, hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, so on my vision board though, I specifically put a 1-bedroom with loft apartment that is pool facing, because you know, one thing I love about my studio apartment is I have a pool facing view and I love to work on my patio. But anyway, the point is there's finally a 1-bedroom with loft unit available to view. So that is what we are finally doing in this video. This is the last layout that I wanted to look at, so this is probably the last apartment that I'm going to be touring. So I'm excited to go show you this, but before we look at that, I'm going to give you a quick recap of the other apartments that I've toured so far. Please let me know which one you like best. Let's do this.
All right, so to review, the first apartment that I viewed was just your average 1-bedroom layout. So one thing I love about this apartment is the fact that the kitchen is pretty spacious. I've wanted an island, like a legitimate island, in my apartment for so long, so this satisfies those needs. One thing I don't like is this particular unit. The lighting was not very good at this particular time of day, at least. I do like that there's an actual bedroom, especially compared to currently being in a studio. Other than that, those are the main highlights. But to be honest, I don't think that I'm leaning towards a 1-bedroom. My heart's kind of set on a loft at this point. But yeah, that's just one of the options. The next apartment that I looked at was this really unique corner studio loft layout. I honestly really like this apartment. I love the layout of it. It's hard to really comprehend on camera, but it just felt really open and good. I love the fact that this unit actually has a walk-in closet. This is the only unit that I saw that had a walk-in closet, so that's a huge plus. I love the loft. The loft would obviously be my bedroom if I moved in here, but the one major downside to it was the fact that there is not a single unit like this that has a pool view. This is only going to be street facing or have like a random courtyard view, which is not what, I intended on. So although I really love it, I feel like I could find something more compatible with what I really want, but I still do like this one. And next, I looked at a more traditional studio loft apartment layout. This is very similar to my current studio apartment, except a big difference is the fact that, for one, it has very high ceilings, and no brainer, this is probably obvious, it actually has a loft, which would be the bedroom up top. As far as the two studio lofts go, I feel like I liked the feel of the corner unit a little better. However, this layout, they do have units like this around the pool. Now, the question is, are any of them going to open up anytime soon? I have no idea. Possibly, possibly not. We will see. But yeah, there is that one. But you guys have been waiting long enough. It is time for the main attraction, the 1-bedroom loft. Oh my gosh, I fell in love when I walked in this place. The layout is actually very similar to the normal one bedroom, except of course it has really high ceilings and a loft up top, but the fact that it just like has everything. It has the island, it has such great lighting. I love it. I'm speechless. I want it so bad. The one downside is the fact that I'm pretty sure that there's only one unit like this with a pool view and someone is currently in it. So let's manifest that they get a really great opportunity and are going to move to an even better place, because I don't want to take anything away from them, but you know, maybe they'll do really good. And then that will leave the unit open for me. Oh my gosh. But yes, it has, you know, the whole bedroom. The bedroom is actually pretty decent size, lighting is great, all of that. And just like you saw again in the one bedroom, has the closet, it has the washer and dryer, it has, you know, the bathroom, which is the same layout as all the other ones that we've seen. And after that, the main difference is the loft. So let's go look at that. Whew, I feel like I'm getting out of breath because I'm just very excited about this place. But in this case, if I were to get this unit or a unit like this, the loft would most likely be my office. You know, I could do the downstairs as my office, but I think the bedroom downstairs was a bit bigger. So this could be my office. That's great. I have no complaints with that. But honestly, like, just the view, something about a loft apartment and high ceilings. You know, not everyone is into this sort of thing, but to me, like, I love it. It just feels open. It feels free. It feels just fresh and exciting. And, you know, originally I was like, I'll do like maybe a studio loft. Now I'm like, no, I want to go the whole 9 yards. And this like really speaks to my soul. So that is the one bedroom loft. I don't know about you, but I love it. So there you have it. And I did mention in one of my last apartment tour videos that there is rumored to be a 1 bedroom plus loft apartment opening up around the pool in a few months, which would be perfect. However, I just found out it is not the same layout that we just saw. And that's the thing, it's like, if that one opens up, I'm gonna have to like snatch it up before even seeing it. So the one that might possibly be available in a couple months looks like this, as you can see on the screen. You walk in and there's like a very small like corner kitchen situation. And I don't know if it would even fit my portable island that I have in my apartment right now. Oh, that's one of the things that I love about that 1 bedroom loft that we just saw. I love the island. So I'm like, oh, I wish that one was available. And then right next to the kitchen, there are stairs that lead up to the loft. And I think that that is where I would put my bed, just because I love being able to like look down and have the view. But then downstairs, like there's this big living dining area, which I don't think I would even use for a dining area. I would just have it be like a big living room. Then there's the washer dryer closet, another little closet next to the bathroom. The bathroom would be just the same as all of the other bathrooms we've seen, like literally every bathroom in this apartment, they're all identical. And then the bedroom would be my office. So since I'm doing coaching, I would make that just my little office space, and I could even film videos in there. But that would be the layout that is possibly going to be open around the pool. But I do want you guys to tell me, and just so you know, like, I make my own decisions. I like to ask your guys' opinions just because I think it's fun. I like to see what people like, but I'm going to follow my gut. But just for fun, I want to know, if money was not an object and the price difference didn't matter, and you had the option, would you live in the 1 bedroom that is not a loft, the corner studio loft unit, the rectangular studio loft unit, or a 1 bedroom with loft? I think at this point my heart is really like leaning towards the 1 bedroom with loft, just because I would love to have an office space, like with my coaching and everything. It just feels good. But what's ultimately going to decide what I do is whichever unit opens up first, that will be my sign of like, you know, God, the universe, whatever you believe in, that is the direction that I'm being guided to go in. That's honestly how I make my decisions at this point. This is one thing I've been wanting to tell you guys. The most important part of the law of attraction, it says right in there, is the word action. Law of attraction. You have to take action
to really get the results that you want. And that's a huge part of why I'm doing all of this touring and all of this now, because you gotta take action for the things that you want for it to really work. But yeah, that's all for today. It's been a good one. I will see you soon with a new video. Bye guys.